ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯊꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 23ꯗꯒꯤ 30 ꯖꯅꯋꯥꯔꯤ 2026 ꯑꯁꯤꯗ 38 ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ. ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ALT ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯟꯆ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ in collaboration with Kimex. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯊꯤꯝ ꯁꯣꯡꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯡꯊꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯏꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯝꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ALT ꯇꯤꯝꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯨꯅꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯪꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ SR ꯑꯪꯇꯨꯟ, ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯨꯅꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯂꯥ ꯋꯦꯜꯄꯤꯡꯉꯝ, ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ALT ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯔ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯦꯛꯁꯇ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯁꯤ ꯐꯝꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯖꯦꯀꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯈꯥꯇꯜ, ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯝꯄꯥ ꯈꯥꯇꯜ, ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ 38 ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤ COC ꯀꯟꯚꯦꯅꯔ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯔꯣꯟꯗꯥꯔ, ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯀꯥꯏꯃꯦꯛꯁ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯂꯥꯕꯣꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯣ ꯍꯤꯜꯁꯇꯣꯟ, ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯃꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯅꯤ.
I am the Chief Convener of the Central Organizing Committee for the upcoming 38 Annual Nehru Town-based General Conference, which is scheduled to be held from 27 to 30 of January at District Sports Complex, Chandel, Crescent Village, on the theme Lessons to Legacy. And the host village, that is under Crescent Village, is going to be the local organizing committee. This year, actually, this general conference is held once in a 3 year, and there has been a gap for more than 10 years. And this year, it's after a decade, we are going to have this 38 this general conference. So this time, we are coming up with a plan to organize this conference by rooting back to our identity, back to our culture, and then we want to retrospect to our past years on, and we wanted to take examples from the past and try to move forward and create a difference by creating a legacy for the younger generation now and for the years to come, which is why the main theme for this conference is Lessons to Legacy. So this time we are very privileged to have many VIPs to come and grace our occasions. On 27th evening, there is an introductory session which will be giving the detailed program to you. We will be honored to have the Anal Army officers and Anal State Police officers to grace the program as chief guest and guest of honor, and the functional president, the name of which will be circulated later. And on 28th afternoon program is basically for the cultural and literary program, wherein different competitions will be taking place. And our principal secretary, Sir Ashok Kumar Singha, of this Works, Forest, Climate and Environment Change, will be gracing the occasion as chief guest. And Sir Nauram Pravin, IAS Secretary Yas, will be gracing as the functional president, and our DC, Sir Heman Kumar, will be gracing as a guest of honor. And on that day, that is 28th, we will be having this cultural competition. This time we are coming up with an idea. We wanted to make sure that every young members of our community are well equipped and acquainted with the Anal culture and identity, which is why Anal area we are divided in. We have 5 regions: the Maha area, the Western Valley, the Chapikaro, Sulam, and Green Hills. So the competition will be based on region areas. So the competition is going on now in every 5 regions. So far as the cultural dance is concerned, so far as the folk song competition, and this elocution, debate, sport, games and sports. So all those selected members from those areas, 2 finalists will be coming and competing in the general conference. So basically, there is also the plan, and the purpose is the plan why we did that is to make sure that everyone is participating, and there is also another kind of program. And on 28th evening we'll be having these personalities from our this community. Our ex-MLA Sri S.T. Nunghu Victor will be the ex-MLA of Chandel 41, will be gracing the occasion as a chief guest, and the functional president will be this Sir T.S. Baton, the social worker of our district, and then the guest of honor will be Sir W.N.G. Koring and W.S. Kanal, social worker, and the present UNC speaker and the former UNC speaker. And on that day, we will also be having this opportunity to witness the Anal classical singers who will be presenting Anal classical songs, and will be enjoying that very evening with those concerts. And the following day, that is on 29, we'll be having this Games and Sports Day, and Sri Losit Dikho, MLA of this Mao constituency, will be gracing the occasion as the chief guest, and Sir R.D. David Boyest, who is the incumbent vice president of the Naga Hoho, will be gracing the occasion as the functional president, and Sir Porhing Langhu, social worker, and the former Ansam president, will be gracing the occasion as a guest of honor. And on that day, there will be football will be there, volleyball, and we are coming up with an indigenous games this time. There is, we call it Tahelite. So this is basically a kind of a shot put, and then Sumide, and then there are also other bamboo climbing will be there, and a tug of war. So those games will be held on that very day. And on the evening, that is on 29 evening, we'll be witnessing this Miss LT contest, the finale, and then the varieties of Anal singers who will be coming and gracing the occasion with their beautiful Anal contemporary songs. This time we are focusing on our community. We wanted to give opportunity and platform to our singers and to our people. So basically, there is the short synopsis of our upcoming general conference. Yes, and on 27th evening, we'll be having an Anal gospel concert. So that is going to be very interesting. And this time on 28th evening, we will also be having a debate competition on the challenging Anal society contemporary these issues with 4 topics, and wherein all walks of life from different professions, advocates, the bureaucrats, the professors, the theologians will be coming and competing for the said debate. So it's going to be very interesting this time. We wanted to focus on shaping and reforming our society. So there is about this general conference. Now going back to the second point, as our president have rightly mentioned, it is pertaining to coaching center, LT coaching center. This LT coaching center is a project, one of the project of the upcoming 38th LT General Conference. In Chandel, what we see is that there are hardly any coaching centers for competitive exams. So KIMEX is one amongst a few of the coaching centers in Chandel. So our Sir Rooney and Sir Hillstone, they are the managing director and the member of that coaching institution. So we'll be collaborating with them, and then today we'll be signing the memorandum of understanding, and with that we'll be pursuing and we'll be in fact deliberating more on so far as the functioning, the guidelines of the coaching center. But basically now we have agreed. So I'm also very thankful to the KIMEX. I'm hopeful on my behalf and on behalf of the Students' Union that through this collaboration we'll be able to bring lots of changes in the district. And so far as our community is concerned, through this coaching center, all those students, we can say unprivileged students who are unable to go out from our district, will be able to get that opportunity, and through which we are hopeful that down the line in 1 year, 2 years time, we'll be witnessing lots of our students cracking exams from small to big. So with that, today we'll be entering this memorandum of understanding, and for that I would also like to give some time to our managing director of this CIMEX. So the time is given to him.
Kagachari Myambu, CIMEX ki full form se Kanku Institute for Medical Engineering and Competitive Studies haina pena hodu kiba coaching center ni Chandel sida CIMEX khato oramgani hojik se competitive exams ki oina coaching to base atopa 11 12 exam gi 10 gi di lei hana du gisu adugu competitive studies ki di ahanba oramgani CIMEX sina thajai aduga akhoi kitang CIMEX ki maramda line amani da su haijage akhoi se Chandel da student myam lei adugu mapan thokba ngamjadaba mapan chalaga coaching toba ngamjadaba paisa ki khangde law and order ki khangde natraga imung sum mi leitabagi chathoga na somgi yengsingado mi leitaba smaina opportunities e adum miss tawraga leiba yam kenodi potentially yam leiba angang yam lei aduna akoina CIMEX se hawragadi yumda leina smaina coaching su yauraga da tambasu phangba adugadi chatlaga mapandagi bhara da leibagi expenses mayam su cut down tawraga smaina yumda leina coaching kitang guidance e koina biraga moine sida honaradi mi oibagi officer oirakpagi exam pass tawbigi chance yam legani haina koina hodukhibani sida koina hojik phawda course hangrabje medical gi kenogi medical gi aduga engineering gi coaching se tawjari aduga di koina general foundation course haina competitive exams, for example SSC graduate level CGL exams GD khangde aduga di Manipur University MPSC na conduct over UPSC na conduct over exams me amgi smaina koina foundation course aduga clear to part ahanba phase clear to koina especially oina timing na dum fee yaw da bida especially koina coaching amuka keno oina revision oina shu pb sida koina local gi oina staff sing su sida leiba experience like raba hana exam su thara kraba oza sing se kana contact to raba sina coaching se tawjari ado hujik handa koi 38 conference ka mali leina ALT na smaina program sem ko se koi su yam harawi ke gi no di opportunities e moina sponsor tawge hai kan sida akoina yam da bida koi fee se course amagi 10,000 8,000 smaina lojai sida phau piba ngamjadaba student sum yama lei ko akoina installment oina ahanba tangkhai ma piramaga mathangi di sarangamdre adwa akoina tokthok mijo yam lei aduga fee ngamjadre haina lakta bisu leiramgani bako akoide su smaina pa fee di hangamaga lakta bisu yawiba fee se 10,000 thak oreju ngamjadaba yam lei ko aduna moina smaina angang sing sponsor tawge jati gi oina district ki oina smaina angang sem na haibgan ko jam harawi aduga akoina se we encourage them. We are very excited for this project and I'm very sure that through this there will be a lot of privileged students exam pass tawdana tana kenogi anagi khatana district oina su chakhat thawrang ama oirakani haina ina thajai thank you so much to ALT and I also want to wish them all the best. Thank you.